Hello everyone, I am Shravya, a ServiceNow developer at Palni. Welcome to our SPM series. Today, we will begin with an introduction to strategic portfolio management in ServiceNow and understand how it helps organizations manage work strategically. In this session, we will cover what is SPM, why organizations struggle without SPM, benefits of SPM, installation of plugins, roles and responsibilities in SPM, core processes involved in SPM, life cycle of SPM. By the end of this session, you'll have a strong foundation in strategic portfolio management. So, what is SPM? Strategic Portfolio Management or SPM is a module in ServiceNow. It helps organizations plan, prioritize, and manage work in a structured and strategic manner. Its main goal is to ensure that every idea, demand, project is aligned with business priorities and organizational goals. Without SPM, many organizations face common challenges such as too many ideas with no clear prioritization, limited visibility into ongoing work, inefficient use of resources, projects that are not aligned with business strategy. These issues often lead to delays, wasted efforts, and poor decision making. SPM solves this problem by bringing strategic alignment, resource efficiency, better decisions, full visibility, standardized processes. This helps organizations focus on the right initiatives and deliver greater value. To start working with SPM in ServiceNow, we need to activate the required plugins. PPM Standard and Portfolio Planning Workspace. These plugins enable core SPM functionalities and workspace capabilities. These are the key roles involved in SPM. Each role is responsible for planning, governance, execution, budgeting, and resource management to ensure successful delivery of work. SPM mainly consists of four core processes: idea management, demand management, project management, portfolio management. These processes help organization move work from innovation to successful delivery. Now let's understand the life cycle of SPM. It usually starts with an idea where someone proposes a new suggestion or improvement. That idea is then evaluated and converted into demand. Once the demand is approved, it becomes a project. After that, project is executed and continuously tracked until completion. This life cycles ensures that every step is structured, traceable, and aligned with business goals. That's all for today. In this series, we will continue learning everything step by step from setup to implementation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.